Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're delving into a profound lesson from Marcus Aurelius, one of the most revered Stoic philosophers. We're focusing specifically on an excerpt from his Meditations and what it can teach us about treating philosophy as medicine for the soul. In Meditations 5.9, Marcus Aurelius writes, "Do not come to philosophy as to a mentor, but as a sick person comes to a sponge for the eyes and an egg, another to an ointment, to a washing. Then you will not show off your obedience to reason, but you will find peace in it." This quote is a powerful reminder that philosophy, particularly Stoicism, isn't just about intellectual exercise or impressing others with our reasoned arguments. It's about healing. It's a form of medicine for our minds and souls, especially in the chaotic world we live in today. Now, let's break down how this ancient wisdom can be profoundly applied in our modern lives. Today, more than ever, we are constantly occupied, working, studying, reading, striving. While these activities can be fulfilling, they also perpetuate a passive state where we're prone to go with the flow without truly considering where that flow is taking us. This continuous busyness can cause us to drift away from philosophy. Much like Marcus said, we earn money, we create, we are busy, we have incentives, we are being carried further and further away from philosophy. When we neglect philosophical practices, stress builds up, our minds become clouded, and we lose sight of what truly matters. And inevitably, some calamity or crisis hits us, pulling the rug from under our feet. So, what should we do when confronted with such turmoil? Marcus Aurelius advises us to slam the brakes, to halt the momentum of our frantic lives. We must seek refuge in the routines and practices deeply rooted in clarity, sound judgment, correct principles, and good health. These routines are the core of Stoic philosophy, providing us the resilience to face challenges head-on and maintain our mental tranquility. Stoicism, in essence, is meant to serve as medicine for the soul. It provides the remedy for the modern ailments of stress, confusion, and the ever-present chase for more. It frees us from these woes, restoring the vitality necessary to thrive rather than merely survive. When we consult Stoic philosophy today, we engage in a form of healing, a restoration that brings back our focus to what is important, living a life of virtue, being in control of our reactions, and finding peace amidst life's storms. By emphasizing routines that cultivate resilience, discipline, and inner calm, we effectively inoculate ourselves against the chaos of the modern world. So friends, I urge you to not treat philosophy as a mere intellectual endeavor, but as a profound and practical tool for your everyday life. Whether you are facing stress at work, struggles in personal relationships, or simply the overwhelming nature of modern existence, turn to Stoicism. Like a balm for the weary, let it heal and restore you. To make this practical, try integrating a Stoic challenge into your life. For the next week, every morning, take a few minutes to reflect on a Stoic principle. It could be the idea of focusing only on what you can control or practicing gratitude for what you have. This daily practice can serve as a mental cleanse, helping you maintain focus, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of deeper purpose. Remember, Stoic wisdom isn't about impressing others, it's about finding peace within yourself. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, let's harness this timeless philosophy to build resilience, foster self-discipline, and maintain our inner calm. Consult it today and let it heal you. Thank you for joining me, Alexius Varro, on this journey through Stoic living. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more practical Stoic wisdom. Until next time, stay resilient, disciplined, and calm.